Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So I'm looking at a Grand Design Reflection, and it's a 311 BHS. And what I wanted to talk about was the Gen Y, right? So every week, every day, since all this stuff's been going on Facebook and YouTube, and even some of it from us that we've posted, everybody's always freaking out about all the frame stuff. So if you're looking to kind of make a difference on your, whether it be towing it with your pickup truck and just protecting the frame itself, a couple of things we recommend strongly is, number one, doing a Gen Y. Obviously you can see the pitch of this one's different than some of the other ones that we use, but this makes such a huge difference. This has got basically the torque flex, kind of like they did on the older axles that had no leaf springs, that had the independent. So basically, as this thing's going down the road, it's flexing and adjusting. They say that they take about 1,000 miles to fully break in. And so if you don't have a Gen Y and you're looking to do one, come see us. We put these in all the time. Matter of fact, we got another Reflection that's here that's getting ready to have one installed. And then we also have a Solitude that just came in that we're going to be replacing on one too as well. So and then of course you're going to gain back all your pickup trucks. So you're by getting away from the actual hitch, you can go to just a puck system, whether you have a single ball or you have a like a turnover ball, like a B&W. We do those as well if you don't have one in the back of the bed of the truck. But this is something that's fantastic to have. We order brand new bolts when we do them, the safety chains. There's an offset if you have a short bed truck. If you have a short bed truck and you don't do the 5-inch offset, which looks almost like a boomerang type deal, you can still turn and get like 90%. So you can get 90% of the radius on the turns with a long bed, but if you have a short bed, you can get like 75%. So it's still a great thing to have. But anyways, give us a holler. It doesn't take that long to install them. It's just more of like a 2-man job and a forklift, and because they're pretty heavy, and then getting it all lined up. So be careful if you're going to try to do it yourself. They are, like I said, pretty heavy. So, all right. Well, thanks so much for watching, and we'll talk to you soon. This is